Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will solve part B of Add Maths question 0606 March 2024. Variant 1-2, it is about geometric progression. The part 1 was about arithmetic progression. You can find the link in the description below. So here is a geometric progression. So when you're thinking about geometric progression, you should think about the general series. And as the question is talking about sum to infinity, so you know the condition. You should know the condition. So let me discuss that first. So when we are talking about geometric progression, it is a general terms, right? AR square. I'm talking about first three terms, right? And nth term will be what? A times r power n minus 1. And when we are talking about sum to infinity, it is basically a divided by 1 minus r, but there is a condition. R should be, modulus of r should be less than 1, which means it is between minus 1 and 1. 1 and minus 1 are excluded. So if we have to determine whether this geometric series will have sum to infinity or not, we only have to see that r is lying between this limit. If r is lying between this limit, then it means the series has sum to infinity. So let's see. The first term is, let me change the color of it. Okay, so the first term is Lg phi power 3, which can be written as 3 times Lg phi. I'm sure you know how I'm doing it. I'm applying here power law. In the log you have studied, if it is log a power b, it can be written as b times log a. This is called applying power law. Okay, so now term 2 is a times r, which is equals to log of phi. Third term is ar square, which is log phi power 1/3, which can be written as 1/3 log times phi. Log phi, not times. Okay, so when we are talking about r, it means ratio is, by the way, this is term 1, term 2, term 3. So when you are taking ratio, you will take term 2 divided by term 1, or you can take term 3 divided by term 2. Your choice. Answer will come same. So I am taking term 2 divided by term 1. Okay. So it is log phi divided by 3 times log phi. So log phi will cancel out. It is the same term. So r is equals to 1/3. Since 1/3 is lying in this range, so yes, this geometric progression has sum to infinity. So you will write here, since r is less than 1, that is r equals to 1/3, hence the geometric progression has sum to infinity. You will write it properly, right? Okay, now part 2. Find the nth term of this geometric progression. Now you know the nth term is ar n minus 1, right? I have explained to you here also, here on the left. So now you have to find out in the form which is given to you in the question, and that is 3 power capital A log phi. So an A has to be as a function of n. So let's start substitution here. A is given here, 3 times log phi. R we have just calculated is 1/3 n minus 1. Sorry. So it is 3 times 1/3 n minus 1 times log phi. This power 3 is 1. Now do not mix up or do not make mistake by multiplying phi and 1/3, because log phi is one term. Okay, so do remember this thing. Now here I will apply law of indices, okay, in this part. So when I will apply law of indices here, this power 3n minus 1 will go up and it will become what? It will become 3, 1 minus n minus 1, right? You know that thing. Times log of 5 and then rearrange it. It will become 2 minus n log 5. So if you want to explain or write separately, you can say n a is equals to 2 minus n. So this is your answer for the nth term of the series. Now after that, find the value of phi. 20th term is 3 power minus 18. Now if it is 20th term, we have already found here the formula for the nth term. It means in place of n, I will just write what? 20. So I'm using this, and in place of n, I will write 20, right? And here it is given to you, it is 3 power minus 18. So now I will divide, it will become 3 power minus 18, right? Simple cross multiplication, and you know the logic behind it. It is 1 equals to log 5. This is my log form. When I will change it into index form, it will be what? Phi is equals to 10 power 1. Why? Because this LG mean log base 10, right? So phi is equals to 10. This is the answer. So I hope you understood this question. If you have any query, you can write in the comment. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.